What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach. I'm out here in beautiful Flowermound, Texas. And you guys know in Texas, you gotta have speakers in the backyard. Covered patios, pergolas, pools. We got you covered with taking the entertainment from the inside to the outside. I'm gonna show off this wicked system here and give you guys just a little tour of something that we could potentially do for you in your home. I hope that you find some inspiration in this project. Keep in mind, Dreamedia is nationwide and we would love the opportunity to earn your business. We also have preferred installers in over 28 different states who can help you get it put in. All right, guys, let's check out this space. All right, so right here you can see we have a couple in-ceiling weatherproof speakers that are for this little seating area here. And as you move around the house, we have speakers surrounding the entire pool area. And then the pergola has a bunch of in-ceiling speakers as well as in-ceiling subwoofers installed. And then there's 3 TVs flanking the entire space. We have speakers and TVs over the cooking area. We have speakers and TV over the primary seating area. And then we have speakers and televisions off to the side as well for the secondary seating area or dining room. All right, guys, that is a wrap on my quick tour of this wicked distributed audio system and display setup here in Flowermound, Texas. Keep in mind, we are nationwide and would love the opportunity to earn your business. We offer free video consultations to where you can FaceTime, Zoom, schedule a video call with one of my specialists to walk through your outdoor space and tailor a package that fits your exact needs and budget. We have everything from architectural in-ceiling speakers to landscape speakers, as well as wireless Bluetooth speakers so that you can take the party outside. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.